Good morning, this is day 8 on the road, still in Denmark in Thisted. Today's ride is going to be from Thisted to Aalborg, but that should be around 90 kilometers. We were promised sunshine again and warmer weather as well, 22 degrees, but it still has to arrive here though. We're just procrastinating a little bit till the sun gets out. Yeah, we'll just make a very short trip down to the local cycle shop because Arjan has had his second flat yesterday and is out of inner tubes. And after that, a coffee shop, because this house only had instant coffee. As far as I'm concerned, it should be forbidden by law. So yeah, that was awful. And now for local weather forecast. Here is Arjan. Take it away.
The weather forecast will be nice.
Nice, good. We take nice any day. All right, that's it. We're off. Not sure why, but they've hung up all these kinds of yellow cycles here in the city. Kind of nice. Well, I suppose to cheer us up. That should be the reason, of course. We've not cycled 1 kilometer yet, but the first coffee stop is a fact, so it's a good start. So this is the Thisted harbour. Now, coffee time. Ah, look at those flowers. Well, that's a lovely little bench, isn't it? Look at this view. Oh, wow. That's a good place for a pause, I think. Really good. Beautiful. Good start of the morning. Could be sunnier. I think we were promised 22 degrees or something and sunshine, but it's 15 now and it's almost 12 o'clock. So that's a bit of a bummer. Ah well, we'll take the good and the bad. Now, let's see what Arjan's up to. Oh well, that's unexpected. I don't think there's a house anywhere near, so... I think we're going to go off the beaten track again and cycle alongside the lake, or inner sea, probably, or fjord. One of these three. Right, so this is a fjord, the Lonnerup Fjord is about. Nice. It's been cycling for 45 minutes, so well, not getting anywhere, but it's fun. Right, drone pilot in operation. Let's see if we can make this happen. This is what I call a good road. Look at this. It's up and down. Beautiful rural country tracks. Brilliant, very good. We're very slow going today, but well, good all the time really. Now about time to start looking for lunch. but well, that's one of the negatives, I guess, if there's very few cities and villages, but well, we'll see what we can find. Right, talk to you later. Lovely churches they have here. They're all white. Right, we've only done 18 kilometers in an hour and 15 minutes, so yeah, it's as slow as we can go, I suppose. And it's a 92k trip today, so we still have to get a move on, but well, it's slightly getting warmer now, 17 degrees, so that's good. But everywhere in Europe it's like 25, so well, I think we're still due a bit more nice weather, but alright. Well, still no luck for lunch. It's 1:45 now. There's really nothing, maybe 17 kilometers down the road. So yeah, we're a bit hungry now, but at least we've got a tailwind, so that's very nice. Let's continue. Well, 3k away from hopefully lunch at what is it, almost 3 o'clock. Let's hope so.
The bridge to the left.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
So after this very late lunch, it is now 3:30. We are now not heading towards Aars, but we are going towards Aalborg, I think. At least we're going to Aalborg. That's our destination for today. There's a little over 40k to go. The sun has finally come out. It's actually warm for the first time since the day we left, I think. So that's all good. Yeah, let's see what we can find along the way. Alright, see you later. Oh, this is a nice memorial to Robert Canning, a pilot who died here, unfortunately, but whose remains, I think, were brought back in 1955. Yeah, that's very good, these memorial stones, I think. Beautiful landscape. And the sun has come out in abundance, so happy days. It's not so ideal, this shoulder here. 11.5k on this road. time for yet another little pause. We're about 20k away from Aalborg. Seems to be a little camping site, which gives us the opportunity to have a very nice little pause. Lovely spot. Right. Oh, a bit tired, but happy. Certainly with the weather today. All right. Well, we just saw part of the Danish time trial championships just ahead of the start of the Tour de France. So yeah, I'm gonna check later tonight who won. Got a Danish have a few of the best in the world in all disciplines really. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting what Jonas Vingegaard will do amongst others, and Fuglsang of course. Well, we'll see. I'll root for them, that's for sure. Very typical. Denmark seems to close up after 5 o'clock. It is, well, it's 6 o'clock, but every business at this industrial estate is closed. There's absolutely nothing. So all the shops in the main shopping streets are closed as well, which is good, I suppose. I mean, that means that people can stop working at 5 o'clock and do other fun stuff, but it's a bit of a contrast to our own little country. Right, we are approaching our host for the night. I hope we can find it, and then we'll call it a day, and I'll hope to catch you tomorrow. All right, cheers, bye. So it's time to cap off this day. A wonderful day on the bike. A few hazardous main roads, but other than that, absolutely brilliant. Now we've arrived at our host in Aalborg, and well, it's a nice little apartment, and the garden is even better. We've got the whole garden to ourselves, and a fantastic meal, pizza and beer, and
Very important.
so happy days. Well, that's it for now. This was day 8. Tomorrow is a rather short ride from Aalborg to Hjørring, which is about 50k away up north, and then that will be that. So see you tomorrow or another video. But until then, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. Alright, cheers.